This project was to give all of us computer science students like a chance to kind of practice working with teams in a real work environment and for like a realistic goal. So in this case, it was to see if we could implement drone technology to kind of see if we could help farmers automate some of their functions on a farm.
I think the principal goal was to get the students' feet wet in working on a team. It was exciting to press a button and see the drone take off and do things.
Right now automation is growing. Having this kind of projects on our resume, it's really good to get in the eye of the recruiters because they look for some experience before they hire us.
It's just how far can we take this now that we've gotten this far? What else can we do? And I think really there aren't very many limits.